What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this on your phone or laptop, someone just like you, same age, same struggles, maybe even less experience, is launching a business that pulls in thousands every month without spending a single dollar up front? No investors, no loans, no fancy equipment. Just a simple method, so powerful it's been hidden in plain sight. Stay until the end, because I am exposing the easiest $0 business starter that's exploding in 2025, and the one mistake 99% make that kills it before day one. Picture this: you're scrolling late at night, drowning in bills, dreaming of freedom, but your bank account laughs at the idea of startup costs. Sound familiar? Now imagine waking up to notifications: $47, $112, $289 trickling in while you slept. Not from a job, not from crypto gambling, but from a business you built with nothing but your phone and this method. Skeptical? Good, because what I am about to reveal isn't another dropshipping guru scam or print-on-demand hype that leaves you with inventory debt. This is the real zero capital playbook that is quietly creating millionaires in niches you've never heard of. Let's start with the brutal truth. 90% of start with $0 advice online is recycled garbage. Sell digital products. They say then you need design skills, ads, and a following. Freelance, great, if you already have a portfolio. But what if you're starting from absolute scratch? No skills, no audience, no savings. That's where this method crushes everything else. It's called the value bridge system, and it leverages something you already do every single day without realizing its goldmine potential. Step 1. Stop chasing ideas, start solving pains. The secret isn't inventing something new. It's becoming the bridge between problems people scream about online and free solutions that already exist. Think about the last time you Googled how to fix leaky faucet at 2 a.m. or stop dog from barking when I leave. You found a YouTube video, right? That creator just made money without owning a plumbing business or dog training certification. Day 3. Compile 7 free solutions into a Google Doc. Day 4. Create opt-in, text now number plus, text guide to ... double quotes, closing parenthesis. Day 5. Share in 3 groups with free tested solutions in comments. Day 6. Follow up with secret layer 2 opt-ins. Day 7. Count your first dollars. Reinvest in confidence. This isn't theory. I've watched 47 students hit $1,000 plus in 30 days using this in 2025. Niches, from free homeschool schedules to zero-cost credit score boosts. The internet is a paying marketplace. You're the toll bridge. Still think you need money to make money? Thomas Edison was broke when he started. Oprah had $0 in her pocket during her first radio gig. This method is the modern equivalent of hustling your way up with nothing but value and connection. One final secret: the ghost bridge. Find abandoned authority. Old blogs with broken links, YouTube channels that stopped uploading. Reach out. Hey, saw your post on topic. Links are dead. I updated a free 2025 version. Here your doc. They shared to their audience. Instant 1,000 eyeballs. Zero costs. You're 60 minutes from your first bridge. The only question: will you stay stuck dreaming, or become the person who started with $0 and built anyway? If this exposed a blueprint you needed, subscribe right now and hit the bell. Tomorrow's video reveals the underground affiliate networks paying 75% commissions that nobody's talking about. Drop your niche idea in the comments, like if you're starting today, and share this with one friend who needs to escape the 9 to 5. The $0 revolution starts now.